Have you ever wondered about the hidden wonders that lie in wait, tucked away in the corners of our vast world? Imagine places that have been kissed by time and untouched by the common traveler. Places that offer not just a break from the daily grind, but a journey into the heart of the unknown. Today, we embark on a journey to discover these unseen wonders, each more captivating than the last. We're not talking about your usual tourist spots. No, these are the world's best-kept secrets, places that inspire awe and ignite the imagination. From silent cities that whisper tales of ancient civilizations, to enchanting forests that hide mystical creatures, to forgotten islands that time itself has overlooked. Each of these unique destinations offers a different story, a different experience, a different adventure. They're waiting to be discovered, waiting to reveal their secrets to those who dare to venture off the beaten path. Are you ready to dive into the world of the unknown and explore these hidden wonders? Starting our countdown at number 5, we journey to the Silent City. This is no ordinary place, but a city that whispers secrets from the past, enveloping you in a hush that seems almost tangible. Nestled in the heart of a forgotten land, the Silent City is a testament to the resilience of cultures that have come and gone. Its history is rich and layered, much like the ancient cobblestone streets that weave their way through the city. The buildings, weathered by time, stand as silent witnesses to the city's vibrant past. From the rise and fall of empires to the quiet lives of its inhabitants, every stone, every corner tells a story. The culture of the Silent City is an amalgam of the old and the new, a blend of traditions that have survived the test of time and modern influences that have seeped in from the outside world. It's a city that respects its past while embracing the future, a city where time seems to stand still. But what truly sets the Silent City apart is its tranquility. Despite being a city, it's surprisingly quiet, hence the name. The silence isn't eerie but calming, a balm to the soul in an otherwise noisy world. There's a certain allure to its quiet streets and the stories they hold. It's a place that invites you to listen, to observe, to slow down. And that's why the Silent City has made it to our list of hidden wonders. Moving on to number 4 in our countdown, we find ourselves in the Enchanted Forest. Stepping into this hidden wonder feels like walking into a fairy tale. The Enchanted Forest is a living, breathing testament to the majesty of nature. Its towering ancient trees, draped in emerald green moss, whisper tales of yore. The dense undergrowth is a vibrant patchwork quilt of ferns and wildflowers, a riot of colors that dazzle the senses. As for its fauna, the Enchanted Forest is a haven for creatures both great and small. From the nimble squirrels leaping from branch to branch, to the majestic stag standing tall in the dappled sunlight, each creature adds a unique touch to the forest's enchanting character. But the forest isn't just a natural wonder, it's also steeped in legends. Old tales speak of woodland spirits and hidden treasures, and of trees that come alive under the light of the full moon. These stories, passed down through generations, add a layer of mystique to the forest, making it a place of both beauty and intrigue. The unique experiences this forest offers are as diverse as its flora and fauna. You could find yourself tracing the path of a babbling brook, discovering a hidden waterfall, or simply losing yourself in the forest's tranquil serenity. With its magical charm, the Enchanted Forest truly deserves its spot on our list. Coming in at number 3, we set sail to the Forgotten Island. Nestled somewhere in the vast canvas of the Pacific Ocean, this gem hides itself away from the prying eyes of the world. This secluded paradise boasts a geographical location that's as intriguing as it sounds. It's far removed from any commercial sea routes, making it a sanctuary untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern civilization. Now, let's delve into the island's unique ecosystem. The Forgotten Island is a cradle of biodiversity, teeming with life forms that you won't find anywhere else on Earth. From fluorescent fungi that light up the night, to birds that hum tunes unheard of, every corner of this island whispers tales of evolution and survival. Moving on to the island's history, it's a narrative stitched together by legends and lore. The island, it is said, was once a bustling hub of an ancient civilization. Yet over time, it became lost to the world, with nature reclaiming its spaces and silencing the echoes of the past. The Forgotten Island, with its unique ecosystem, rich history, and secluded location, is a testament to the enduring beauty of the natural world. It's a place where time seems to have stood still, where every stone and leaf tells a story of resilience and survival. The Forgotten Island, a paradise lost in time, earns its place as our third hidden wonder. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we trek to the hidden oasis. Nestled in the heart of a seemingly endless desert, this hidden gem is a testament to the resilience and diversity of life. A riot of colors and textures, the hidden oasis is a vibrant spot in an otherwise barren landscape. This unique wonder is home to a rare biodiversity that defies the harsh conditions of the desert. It's a sanctuary, a haven for species that have found a way to thrive amidst the heat and sand. The flora here is specially adapted to conserve water, their leaves and stems designed to endure the desert's relentless sun. The fauna too have evolved to master the desert, showcasing an impressive array of survival strategies. But it's not just the wildlife that makes the hidden oasis special. This spot comes with its own set of adventures. The trek to the oasis itself is an exhilarating journey, a test of endurance and determination. As you navigate the shifting sands, every step brings you closer to your reward. And what a reward it is. The sight of lush greenery amidst the desert is nothing short of magical. The hidden oasis is a testament to the wonders that lie in wait, hidden in the most unlikely places. It's a reminder that beauty and life can flourish even in the harshest of conditions. The hidden oasis, a sanctuary in the desert, rightly claims the second spot on our list. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1, we ascend to the secret mountain. This colossal giant, tucked away from the prying eyes of the world, boasts an altitude so high it seems to pierce the very heavens. Its stature, however, is only the beginning of its allure. The secret mountain is home to an ecosystem so unique, it could be a world of its own. Flora and fauna, unseen anywhere else on the planet, flourish here in harmony, making it a living testament to nature's resilience and creativity. But what makes this mountain a true marvel is the shroud of mystery that surrounds it. Despite our advanced technology and relentless curiosity, the secret mountain remains largely unexplored and undiscovered, holding onto its secrets with a quiet dignity. With its breathtaking views and untold stories, the secret mountain stands tall as our number 1 hidden wonder.